What's up, guys? More Medic One here, and tonight we have a little 7 horsepower Honda clone generator on the bench, and the carburetor is just flooding its bum off. Basically, I just kind of want to just, I took the carburetor off. I cleaned the carburetor to the best of my ability, and it just, you can't get parts for some of these Chinese little generators and engines. It's going to need a needle in a seat, which is not available for this particular engine. And I even went to the manufacturer's website to look up parts, and the seat is just not replaceable. The darn thing runs good, but if you don't turn the fuel valve off, it'll empty every bit of gas that's in that tank right there. So I'm kind of caught between a rock and a hard place. Do I tell the customer, hey, you need a $130 carburetor, or do I just tell them to be sure to turn the gas off when you're done using it? It's not my call. I can tell them that, what it needs. And if they don't want to fix it correctly, that's on them. I'll make them sign the invoice saying that the customer refused proper repairs, not responsible for yada, yada, yada. It's not a good thing. I mean, yes, it runs okay, but like I said, the dadgum needle in the seat in the carburetor seeps, and it'll just empty every bit of gas out of that over a couple of days time. But anyway, guys, I just kind of wanted to give you a kind of a visual on what can happen to carburetors that, they run like a champ, but they just leak fuel like a leaky faucet, and it's just not good. But anyway, guys, y'all have a good rest of your night. More Medic One. Have a great day.